Already created a Solana token, and now you need more of it? I'll show you how to mint extra supply in about a minute. No code. Open j.tools and on the left, go to Token Management, then Token Mint. This is the Solana Token Mint tool. It adds new supply to a token you already own. You load the token, the tool reads its on-chain data, you set an amount, and it previews the new total before anything happens. First, connect your wallet. I'll use Phantom. Hit Select Wallet in the top right and approve. Now, click Select Token. I created Tsubasa in my last video, so it's right here under Recent. I'll choose it. The tool loads its on-chain data, current supply, decimals, and the mint authority. See that the mint authority is still active? That's exactly what lets us mint more. If you haven't created a token yet, tap the card in the corner. That video covers it. Next, set the amount to mint, 10 million, 100 million, whatever your project needs. For this example, I'll mint 2 million tokens. The total supply updates instantly. Destination Wallet decides who receives the newly minted tokens. You can enter any wallet address here. For this example, I'll paste my own wallet address. Now, I'll hit Load Token to pull in the token's details. Everything looks right. The new total supply updates here. Let's click Mint Tokens. Phantom asks me to confirm. I'll review and approve. And the transaction goes through. The mint is complete. The current supply just jumped from 1 million to 3 million. The new tokens are live on-chain. That's how easy it is to mint more supply with j.tools. The link's in the description. Go try it yourself.